Let's see how to fix this problem here with your Mac when you're trying to open an app and I get this message that's not possible to open it, right? Here basically I'm trying to run this one and I got this message, Apple could not verify the app if it's free of malware that may harm your Mac or compromise your privacy, right? So if you get this message, you just hit done and you come here to the Apple and system settings. And from here, you go down to find privacy and security. There we go. That's the one. And here, go down again until you see the app that you'll try to run. In my case, here is the toben1.app. You see the message, toben1.app was blocked to protect your Mac. So I just hit here, open anyway, and hit open anyway one more time. And then I'm gonna be asked for the password, or I can just touch here on the with my fingers and enable the option to run the app, and now it's working, right? So super simple. Basically, that's the way you can fix the app not running on your Mac. I hope that helps. Leave your comments, subscribe, and I see you in the next one.